Yesterday, the price formed a bearish candle, a small one with a wick on the lower side, without the wick on the upper side, which means there was selling pressure yesterday without having any buying pressure that is stronger than the sellers are. So we can see that the yesterday price could not manage to continue above this area of resistance. The price has reached this support, which is a trend line acting as a support, and we can see that on the lower side the price has reached a small support here, which will be visible on the lower time frames. Now if we go to the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, we'll see how the price has done yesterday and to explain how the price has behaved. The price started here with the bearish candle. It was a bearish breakout below this area of support, and after that the price continued to lose its value, reaching the next support level. It's here, 3326.95. From here we have a confluence of support because we have here a trend line that is acting as a support, and we have here horizontal support on the 4-hour time frame where the price is bouncing from this area of support, and we can see the price has reached the next resistance. We can see that here the price is bounced from this area of resistance, and it is also a confluence of resistance, and the price has dropped down, so it is slightly now outside of this small uptrend channel. If we go to the 1-hour time frame, we'll see how the price has behaved. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the price has formed here a bearish breakout, which is targeting the next support level, which is visible here. The price has reached that support level. From here, the price was bouncing from this area of support. The price tried to move again further down below this area of support, but unsuccessful because the buying pressure here, which means a demand zone where the buyers are located, it is much stronger than the selling pressure. And we can see that yesterday the price formed a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, and then the price continued to rise in value, reaching the area very close to this area of resistance, but it has reached a supply zone here. This bullish breakout that you can see here on a 1-hour time frame has been initiated with the traders inside the premium analysis. The target was here, and the price has reached just that, and we can see it was a profitable trade for the traders inside the premium analysis. So if you would like to receive this update during the day, feel free to check the link below in the description. Enjoy other traders. You can also see inside the group. You will also see what are the statistics for the previous week analysis. You can also check what we expect inside. After that, we can see the price has bouncing from this area of supply zone of the resistance, and it has currently formed here a bearish breakout targeting lower levels, and we can see the price could not manage to reach this area of support, but the price has reversed back up, forming a bullish breakout, which is invalidation of this bearish breakout, suggesting further rise in value. This is a bullish breakout that has been shared inside the premium analysis just a few minutes ago with a target right here, which is a start of this demand zone. So if you would like to receive this, you can see also the details inside the group. Feel free to check the link below in the description. Now, what we can expect today from the gold. For yesterday, we can see the price was bouncing from this area of support and the resistance. It was in between, so the price could not manage to find enough strength to go outside of this small range area. We can see on the 1-hour time frame that the price was bouncing from here to here, and it will do until the breakout happens here or here. So the resistance 3350.80 is the very important resistance level for the price. We can see it is a confluence of resistance because we have a trend line which is acting as a resistance, and this daily horizontal level acting as a resistance. So it will be very important for the price to make a bullish breakout to allow the price to reach higher price levels. On the lower side, 3326.95 is the support level that is holding the price from reaching lower levels. If the price drops down below this area of support, we can see that the next support level will be 3303. But before that, we can see there was also some kind of a small support here and the resistance for the price, which will be first target for a while. So 3317 is the next one, and we can see 3317.59 is that one level that the price will target for the first. And if the price makes a breakout below this area of support, it will allow the price to reach 3303. Now on the daily time frame, we can see how this looks. It was a strong bullish candle in the previous Friday. Yesterday it was a small bearish candle trying to move further down, but here at demand zone the bias was pushing the price higher. So we can see that it is much more inclined to see a bullish momentum right here. But for that, in order to allow the price to reach higher price levels, I need to see a bullish breakout about 3350.80, and that is visible on the 1 hour time frame. The price needs to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. So if there is a bullish breakout or bearish breakout, like in this example, I will share that inside the premium analysis. So feel free to check the link below in the description and also join other traders to receive these updates. You will also receive the updates from other symbols, which you can see here. When there is a breakout, I share the details with the traders so they are informed in the group, so they also can make a decision will they trade or not. So for now, I'm expecting and also waiting for the price to make a bullish or bearish breakout, and also very important levels are in front of one. It is a small area which will be probably broken today in several hours, but we will see when that happens. I will follow the market and also inform all the other traders. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.